5 senses poem. Pattern. Line 1. What color an emotion, an idea or thing is. Line 2. What it tastes like. Line 3. What it sounds like. Line 4. What it smells like. Line 5. What it looks like. Line 6. How it makes you feel. No rhyme scheme is necessary yet. Sample poems. Fall. Fall is red and yellow. It tastes like chicken soup. It sounds like wind through the trees, and smells like warm wood smoke. It looks like what you see when you get your new glasses. It makes you feel energetic. Junior high school student. Anger. Anger is a red flame burning brightly against a black sky. It smells like ash from a raging fire. It tastes like bitter vinegar. It sounds like drums pounding in my temples. It feels like a steel band around my chest, tightening, stopping my breath. It looks like the chaos of a storm. Fear. Fear is black and red. It tastes like ash. It sounds like footsteps behind. It smells like smoke of trash. It looks like a threatening huge tide. It makes you freeze inside. Sleep. Sleep is rosy pink and purple. It tastes like melting chocolate in the mouth. It sounds like the splashing of waves. It smells like babies after bath. It looks like angels in flight. It makes you drown in deep profounds. It's your turn. Show your creativity. Do not worry yet about rhymes, just follow the pattern described. Title word. Title word. Colors. It tastes. It sounds. It smells. It looks like. It makes me. You're feeling.